BitnappingTV.
Hey and welcome to BitnappingTV. My name is Bastian, and before we are going to dive into today's tech tip, I have to tell you something. It is summer outside and inside. It's the summer of podcasts. That is a prize giveaway of multiple podcasts that you can join pretty easy. Just go to podcastmadness.com and check out all the participating shows. Check out their episodes and get a unique code they will give out. Our code is madness. Just check out the website and see how you can join. Each podcast gives away prizes and you can win one of them. So let's dive into today's tech tip, and that is Tags 2.0 by Gravity Applications. Just go to gravityapps.com and download Tags. It is, I would say, a replacement for Spotlight, but on steroids. So I will close that and already installed Tags and launch it. You will find it in the menu bar up here. And now let's go to the preferences and see what we can do. So we need to set up a shortcut, and we need to set up a shortcut for a window to apply tags to files and have a shortcut to the tag search. I would recommend just replacing Spotlight with the tag search because it's much more powerful. So all we will do is we open the search window using the Spotlight hotkey. To do that, we have to disable the Spotlight hotkey in the system preferences. So we just uncheck both of those boxes, and that's it. So if we press Command and space right now, here we go. There is the tags search window, and we could now search for something. Let's say we search for BitnappingTV. And if we type it right, it will find something. It will just find regular documents, but it will also find tagged items. For example, the title and the wallpaper. Why are these tagged items? Because I tagged them in advance. So we remember in the preferences, the hotkey to open the tagging window is Control space. So we go back to the Finder and search for those documents, which are in the Documents folder. And if I want to add a tag to this, I just hit Control and space, and the tagging window will open. So, what could I add? Document title, BitnappingTV text file. Well, why not? And just hit the Enter key, and that tag is applied to the file. Well, you might think that's pretty tedious to add tags to all of my existing files. That's correct, but maybe you just don't want to start with your existing files. Just start with the files you are working on. So you don't have to go to the Finder to apply tags. You can just do that in the applications as long as they support AppleScript. So for example, if you're typing in Pages and want to apply the tag, I don't know, homework to it, you just hit the Control and Space hotkey inside of Pages to add the tag to the currently open document. The same works, for example, let's say in Mail. You want to tag an email, just press Control, Space, and it will open the tagging window, and you will be able to apply the tag to that email. So let's say we say Gmail and greeting. So we just hit the escape key to get out of that window, and now let's search for greeting. And it will find the tagged email. Isn't that amazing? The best thing, it also works with URLs. So let's say I go to BitnappingTV, and for some reason I don't want to create a bookmark for that. Well, it's nothing easier than that. Just Control, Space, and let's say podcast, Enter, awesome tech tips. Well, yeah, that sums it up pretty good, and I don't have to create a bookmark. If I now search for awesome, guess what? I will find the link to BitnappingTV. You can, of course, just apply old tags to your old files, but you don't have to. But over time, you will probably do that. Just integrate tags in your daily workflow, and it, does pretty well. It will just set you back $29, but I would say it's really worth it if you're, a tag kind of guy, what I am. I would say that's it for today, and you can also go to our Facebook page and apply a tag to that too, so you can find it pretty quick. So go to facebook.com/bitnappingtv. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Submit your tips and questions at www.bitnapping.tv.